Meaning of the English idiom to a T. Also used done to a T and done to a turn. To a T means perfectly or just right. It's often applied to cooking, as in the phrase done to a T, meaning cooked perfectly or to the proper degree of doneness. The variant done to a turn has the same meaning. Examples of use. Vic's new job suits him to a T. I don't go in for pinstripes, but the suit really fits you to a T. You really know how to cook a steak. They're always done to a T. The restaurant features professionally dry-aged steaks done to a turn. Most Western novels offered an idealized and romantic version of the cowboy. His new novel, however, captures the Old West to a T. Origin of idiom. To a T is quite an old idiom dating from the late 1600s. We can only speculate on its origins. One speculation is that the expression relates to a carpenter's T-square used to draw accurate horizontal lines. Another is that it has to do with crossing one's T's. To a turn is a later variant, first seen in print in 1780. It alludes to meat being cooked on a spit, where it's slowly turned until cooked throughout to the proper temperature.